Today we got a video from Bodycam Leak, and the title of the video is "This is why you don't spit on a bus driver your first day out of prison."
Why do some criminals leave prison just to go right back?
Why?
I broke the window.
Where?
And then I tried to call you. The white guy said he called you, but I was tired of these people, man.
So why are you doing dumb shit?
Because people treat me wrong. I was just in prison. They didn't give me no release papers or nothing. Like, I mean, it's crazy.
Do you have a PO?
Yeah, I went down there today. And I have her number in my pocket, but she didn't answer.
Okay, well, she's probably busy.
I broke the window, so I guess I had to go to jail.
I mean, we're probably not going to send you to jail for that.
I have to go.
You don't have to go.
I do.
Why?
I spit on the bus, people.
Yeah, why are you doing this?
Can you take me to jail, please?
Why? Why do you want to go to jail?
Okay, I do it.
I'm asking, why do you want to go to jail?
They know me.
Okay, that's fine, they know you, but that's not an answer. Why do you want to go to jail?
I'm trying to get to Marysville.
Why do you want to go back to prison?
Because okay, so what happened, right?
Yeah.
When I was in Marysville, I signed releases for Cincinnati, Columbus, Dayton, Toledo, and Cleveland. Well, I didn't want to go to Cleveland. I signed releases.
And they sent you here?
Yeah.
Okay.
They lied and said that they didn't accept me, but they never put the paperwork through.
Who didn't accept you?
The people working at the jail. That signed releases for them. I signed it in pencil, and they lied and said that they didn't accept me, but they did. They sent me down here.
Okay. So you're mad you're here?
Huh?
You're mad you're in Akron?
Yeah.
Okay. That's no reason to want to go to the county. Well, I mean, that's something you got to work out with your probation officer about moving.
You can give me a ride somewhere?
Where do you want to go?
The Hope Cafe Church. Okay. Alright, people are shit, man.
25.
I ain't got no family or nothing. 25.
Yeah, I found this 43. Do we have anybody call in about their car window getting broken out?
I don't believe so.
They didn't call him.
Open
He's not gonna hurt me or nothing.
No.
He's gonna hurt me.
Just open your bag up. Let me look at it. Can you move your stuff around?
Yeah. Yeah, I got my mask.
I just want to make sure you don't have nothing in there that'll hurt me.
No, I got my medication. Gloves. Thank you.
Yep.
Where are you?
1025, is that going to be Sonic Farm?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see. Go ahead. You can get in. You want to get in? You want to ride or not?
They called in for me.
That's another officer that was coming to the call. He's asking if it was you. Have a seat.
You want to window down so I can breathe a little bit?
What's that?
You want to window down?
Yeah, I will once you get in.
Oh, I gotta get in, right?
Yeah, you got to get in.
Where you taking me to?
You said you wanted to go to the Hope Cafe.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, how do I know if they're going to take me or not?
All right. So we're not going to play this game, okay?
What do you want me to do?
What's your plan for today? Do you want to go to the hospital?
Hell no. I don't got AIDS or nothing.
I didn't say you had AIDS.
I just catch the bus.
But are you going to cause issues on the bus?
No, I'm cool, man. I'm gonna just get out of here. Let's go.
Okay. So you don't want to ride?
No, I'll be all right.
Listen, don't cause any more issues.
I won't.
All right?
All right. You wanna touch me?
You want to go to Center County Jail?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you helping me.
You got to sit there, okay?
Okay. Thank you. My man, it's a good thing I'm going here because I haven't had my meds in a couple of days. I had nowhere to go.
Yeah, I got you. Go ahead and have a seat.
All right. A couple of things here. One, this lady definitely has some mental health issues going on. You could tell. Two, I seen this a lot when I was working in corrections. Now, there are some people out there that actually don't mind prison because their life inside of prison or jail or whatever is better than their life on the street. So some people, you may watch this video and be like, wow, she's actually free. You know, good, kudos for her, right? But as she stated, she's in this town, you know, she didn't get her preferred place, right? And not only that, she doesn't have any family. I don't know if you caught that or not, but that's what she said. She doesn't have any family. So she's probably on the street, doing whatever from place to place, just surviving. Where inside of jail or prison, it may be rough, you know, for some people it may be rough or whatever, you know, you might get in a couple of fights or whatever the case may be, right? But for the most part, for some of these people, that is a better option than actually being out on the street. Why? Because they don't have to worry about where their next meal is coming from. They don't have to worry about paying any rent, right? They get a bed. They get all their supplies and things like that. They get free medical, right? So these are all things that they get inside of prison versus out on the street where you're responsible to make all of those things happen. So it does not surprise me that this lady gets out of jail, can't cope with the outside world, and wants to go back in. It actually happens more often than not. And you, especially in the wintertime. In the wintertime, when it's cold and stuff like that. I don't know what month this is. Oh, wait. 3. Okay, so March. Yeah. So, yeah, 3 is March. So, you know, especially in the winter times, because it's cold and all this other stuff out there. You might as well be inside, you know. So, yeah.
We'll get you all squared away, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Can I go in there now?
I gotta check with you in the back. Something about that car or something.
Yeah. You got my bag, right?
Yeah, it's up.
Okay, thank you.
Why you wanting to go to Summit County?
Cause I was in Marysville and they I signed releases for other cities to go to, and they told me that they denied me, but they never sent it through, and they sent me back to Akron with nowhere to go. It's sad, ain't it? Ain't that sad?
And about that car, I gotta read you something real quick.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rights remain silent. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anything you say can't be used against you in a court of law. You understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You understand that?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a higher lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You understand that?
Yes.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Having those in mind, I know you said you busted the window, but why?
I'm hurt by how people treat me.
Was that someone? Is that someone you know, or is that just,
No,
just taking your anger out?
Yeah.
I got you. What did you break it with?
The rock.
Oh, okay. Is it still in the car or something?
Yeah.
I got you. So you're just upset. You didn't have like any issue with this person in particular
No.
that you know?
No.
Was that the only car?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check with them real quick. You want that window
Yes, sir.
down? Okay.
It's the chillest arrest ever.
Oh. Ouch. Ow, my foot hurt. Ow, my foot. Damn. Oh. Foot's killing me. Bad. Oh my god, my foot. Shit. Oh my god.
Probably got a cramp.
Ah, man. Ouch. Hurt. Ah. Nose is wet. Ah. You're not send me to the hospital, are you?
No.
Oh, okay. Just making sure, because I don't need to go to the hospital. I just need to go over there to finish my charges and just get it all taken care of.
Better with this, Seneca. We're getting you a ride. Just gotta get your paperwork and everything together. I know we haven't did it yet.
Mhm.
Now you got to go in cuffs to get transported down there and everything.
Yeah.
You've been cool. We're not trying, you know, it's just we have to put you in when we transport you, or, you know, before we transport you. But, you know, right now, you're, I'm not trying to make you any more uncomfortable. We'll wait until you have to go, okay?
Oh. Oh, wow. It was my, that's why. Ooh. Hell no. Damn. Hey! Hey! Come here. Come here. Hey! Hey! Hey, don't kill me.
Yeah, I bet you ain't never seen no arrest like this, huh?
Dear Lord Jesus, I'm sorry for bringing the devil like I did. I pray you don't send me to the hospital, Lord God, because they'll try to kill me. I only want respect. Ooh.
17.
That's crazy.
Around now to 1877.
We need cuffs. Nice.
All right, Seneca. Oh, come on. Let me take this off. Thank you.
No weapons, nothing on you.
No.
You know we got to put you in these, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me.
Okay. They should put, okay.
Yep, I got you.
You can come around my sweater so you put it over my sweater.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yep, no problem. Turn your hand like that, okay?
Okay.
Dang! What?
18. 1-8.
All right, man. Go with this. Hi.
Hey,
This way, please.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, watch your head and watch your step.
Okay.
You want to go back to jail, you got to do what you got to do, right? To get back there.
Perfect. Are you sure? Yeah, it's perfect stuff. Cool. Thank you. Okay.
Fantastic. Good break. Yeah.
Hey, are you taking me to jail? Officer! Hello? Hey! Man, God. I'm tired of this shit, man. There?
I'm here. What can I help you with? I can't hear you from the front. I have to pull over in order for you to talk to me.
Yeah.
What can I help you with?
Thanks for help checking on me. I just want to make sure I get there. I don't want nobody hurting me because I haven't done anything wrong. It's just how people treat me. And I'm tired of this shit. Because I was a married before, they couldn't say what you knew.
Okay, what did you want me for?
Well,
Okay, stop. It's 5 minutes to the county. Hang tight. My goodness.
okay.
The woman was arrested and charged with criminal damage and criminal mischief. Drop your opinion.
Yeah. So it's like I said, sometimes for some people, life inside of jail or prison is better than their life outside, you know, or they have other alternative motives and stuff like that. You see it with a lot of people that's maybe homeless. You see it with them. And also you see it with people who are trying to become like the transgender people and stuff like, you know, if a man want to turn into a woman and all that stuff, right? He, you know, what you'll see a lot of times is, or what I've seen is that they would start their treatments on the outside, get on their hormones and their medicines and stuff like that. and then they would do a petty crime, maybe like a whatever shoplifting, robbery, or something like that, to maybe get them a year or two, or in jail. And the drugs that they were the drugs that they were prescribed by a doctor out on the street, the state picks up those same medicines and stuff like that. So they would start the process. It's very expensive. So they would start the process, do a petty crime, and go to jail because the state will pay for their treatment. So those, I seen that a lot too. So whatever. But anyway, overall, I think the officers did pretty good, man. She has mental health issues. You could tell that. They treated her pretty decent. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.